Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Pretzel. On our second week of remote learning program, we are going to do a dandelion painting using a straw. Here are the things that we need. We need the black paper or any dark colored paper, straws, any size will do, thin brush, scissor, cotton swabs, then flat surface where you can put your white paint, and then polyfill fiber from the pillow. This one is optional. Our step 1 is you cut up the straw into thin portion. So here I have cut all my straws. The longer you cut, the bigger the dandelions will be. The shorter you cut, the smaller it is. So here, now I will gonna bend it. Now this will be a bigger one. This will be my small dandelion. Paint into a flat surface so you will get even amount of paint when you dip in your straw. Now you can dip your straw into the paint. Make sure it's all part covered. And then lightly place it on your black card and turn it slightly so you will get the whisker. How many dandelions you want. Take the rolled cotton buds, dip the head of the cotton buds into the paint. Then lightly go around in the middle of the dandelion that hasn't been covered by the paint. Don't put too much paint on them as we don't want to overload it. So the excess on the cotton buds, we will just gonna whip it off on the page lightly so it looks like they are just blowing off into the wind. Don't be afraid to mix it up a little bit. Dandelions are not perfect. I'm going to take my thin brush and make a very thin line so it looks like a stem. looks really amazing. So don't forget to write your name and the date. You can put it in the frame or whenever you want to put it. That's the end of our lesson for this term. I hope you had fun with our previous lessons. I hope to see you guys next term. Bye, take care.